Watch this. Make a UGC-style ad promoting coffee.
Tired of sugary sodas that leave you feeling sluggish? What if I told you?
Delicious bubbly drink that's actually good for your gut. Say hello to Poppy.
Say hello to Poppy. This isn't just any soda. It's packed with prebiotics and apples.
These 3 videos were all made from the footage I just recorded, and it took only a few minutes to create. So how does it work? I'll show you. But first, let's talk about what's really been stopping you from creating videos. Time, budget, tools, the people, or just not knowing how to turn the idea in your head into something real. There's always been something in the way. That's how it has always been until now. I want to introduce you to the world's first creative operating system, the HeyGen Video Agent. This isn't an editing tool with AI inside. This is an AI that thinks like a creative team and works like a professional crew. Before Agent, most people couldn't make a single video in a week. Now, we can make an entire campaign in minutes. Use your own footage or use existing footage. Even start with a document. Just upload your file, type a prompt, and our video agent takes care of the rest. It doesn't just generate a video, it analyzes your footage, and then it plans your story around that footage. It builds the visual, select the shots, and write the script, delivering a full edited, ready to publish video in just minutes. The most realistic, expressive AI performer available, all powered by our Avatar 4 model, designed for marketing, storytelling, and scale. Our video agent isn't just a tool, it's a team. It's your director, scriptwriter, actor, and your editor. All you need is an idea, and our video agent brings it to life. Join the waitlist, be a part of the future of video.